My name is Nikita Shukla. My group number is 4. We are 4 group members, Nikita Shukla, Bhumi Patel, Vikas Patel and Ujjwal Patel. Today we are discuss about information technology and corporate governance. Here I am discuss about introduction to information system and security. This slide includes the information about the basic knowledge of information system and security. First, it described about the information system as a definition and then continue it towards the information security with its definition. Information system is considered as a set of hardware, software, and information, as well as people that assemble, process, reserve, and circulate information while working together. And information security refers to the safeguarding of information and information system from unknown access, use, leak, disruption, alteration, and destruction. It focuses on protecting the confidentiality, integrity, as well as availability of information and information structure. The corporate governance framework helps in ensuring the strategic guidance of the company that includes effective monitoring by the board management. This slide focuses on different way or method of protecting data from malware or a different kind of threats. In this image, it shows 5 types of save your data. The first is encrypt your sensitive data. Second, improve network security. Third, implement access controls. Fourth, backup your data. Fifth, improve physical security. And in the written form, it focuses on a description of 3 main measures that plays an important role in protecting the information system and structure. First, firewalls. It is used to limit access to an organization system of network and to safeguard against an authorized or unknown access. Encryption, it is an enabled language code which is converted to protect the sensitive information. Second, access control. It is a system organ control where you provide access to only the authorized individuals. Third, security policy. Organization can make and implement their own security policies for making sure that their employees are aware of their security responsibility and work according to them. Start working with information security means that organization should focus on information security as it is very important for them to work with the description is about the meaning of security of information with its important. This slide is continuation of the last slide, describing about the importance of information security and how it should be worked with. Always assure that you have the right resources which can systematically and continuously provide the adequate amount to information security in the organization. This slide according to the heading, why information security is important, focus on the importance of information security in general. First, enhance security. By understanding and classifying vulnerable information, organization can able to better protect their most important files and assets from unknown access or disclosure. Second, better efficiency. By providing a label structure to the information employee, now can able to quickly access and easily determine the right approach for handling and fulfilling the requirements for various kinds of data. Third, better way for a risk management. Because of information security, it has now become easier to understand the vulnerable and unsafe disclosure for an organization, so they can prioritize the needs for a change or a response accordingly. This slide is continuation of the last slide, showing 2 more points of importance of information security. Fourth, economical. By adding a proper security controls for a various confirmation, organization will be able to avoid their system from unnecessary virus or costing on a security measure that is not needed for their data system. Fifth, quick response towards critical situation. Because of the right security and proper management of data system, it will not become easy and organized for an organization to respond quickly towards the security incidents in a more effective way.
Hi, my name is Bhuvi Patel. I'm going to continue the presentation. This slide focus on the different type of information security as this slide include 3 type of information security with the description. First one is a network security, application security and data security. Network security. This kind of security protect the PC and computer network from the virus attack and unknown access using the various kind of tools like a firewall, intrusion detection system and virus protect networks. VPNs. Application security. It protects the software application by the identify and then fixing valuable issues using the different method like a code reviews and security patches. Data security. Data security focus on the safety of the data during the storage and while transferring by the using encryption and data mask hacking. This slide is continuation of our type of the information security with the two type of information security. This slide also include the image of the difference between information security and cyber security. Endpoint security. It secure the device like a computer, smartphone and tablet through the different antivirus softwares and the endpoint detection response EDR tools. Cloud security. At secure data applications host in a cloud hosting with a major like secure cloud configuration and identify access management IAM. These slides focus on the information security governance, which include the definition of information and shows how information is most important things in any organization, and also include the relation information security with the organization. It includes the importance of the effective information system in overall enterprise IT governance, as it is important to have a good quality of information security, showcasing two pointed in this slide: single source of truth and data as pillar of business organizations. This slide is continuation of the last slide, showcasing two more pointers, that is risk reduction and better making of the decision. Risk and cost reduction. The right information governance will save the organization from the damaging the information, which can lead to low case compliance penalties and reputational damage. Better decision making. The clear and proper information will provide detailed and big picture of the information, which will help organization to make informed business decisions. This slide focus on the evaluation of information security, included evaluation from 1960 to 1918. Information security is created to safeguard the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data from various threats of misusing the data in different ways. 1916's offline site security, 1917's evaluation of personal computer and hackers, 1918 evaluation of cybercrime. Does the continuation of the last slide focusing on the evaluation from the 1990s to 2010 till now. 1990s hacking the new crime, 2000 cybercrime has now become the serious issue. 2010 until now information security has now become the important concern for the organization for the different size with the introduction of the mobile device, cloud computing and the internet of the things.
Hi, my name is Vikas Patel. I will continue further presentation. This slide concludes about a legal requirement that are passed in different countries about dealing with information security. It includes four legal acts that has been passed till now. Federal Information Security Modernization Act, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, Children's Internet Protection Act, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This slide includes the different information security policies by NIST has enacted, such as program policy, issue specific policy, and system specific policy. This slide includes the main three principles of information security as an image by describing the name of it: CIA, confidentiality, integrity, availability. It includes the description of the three main tenets of information authorized security, that is, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality. These measures are created to prevent unknown disclosure of data. The main purpose of the principle to keep the personal information private and to make sure that it is seen and accessible order those people who own and have authorized access to the performance of organizational functions. Integrity. This principle focused on integrity, that assurance that the data have accuracy and reliable in nature. The principle also includes that the data is not modified incorrectly, whether accidentally or maliciously. Availability. Availability simply means the information should be available on the right time of the right focus on system availability to create software system and data available whenever use or a personal need it. This slide includes the image of seven domain of IT security with their names. Cyber physical domain, transportation domain, information domain, network domain, cognitive domain, social domain.
My name is Ujjwal Patel and I am going to continue this presentation. This slide includes the description of half of the domain IT security, including the description of its risk. User domain, workstation domain, line domain. User domain. This domain cover all ranking that have access to the other 6 domain. Workstation domain. It is computer or PC of an individual user where the production happen. Line domain. IT construction workstation of all kind including hubs, switches and routers. Risk it can easily be spread throughout the LAN and it affect all PCs in it. This slide include the half left more domain of IT security with the heading description and risk. LAN to WAN domain. It is a boundary between the trusted and untrusted zone. The zone are filtered with the firewalls. System or application storage domain. It is basic domain which is created user exist server like email or database. This slide describes the usage of data processing that is required in the massive throughout the image. In the slide briefly describe all kind of domain used together or if not together, how the domain generally used and where it is used. This slide description of the disadvantages or the disadvantage linked to IT security. Trust. Human can be easily tricked and as human emotion people are misuse their trust so they can easily give access to information systems to someone who is not authorized. It is the continuation of the point disadvantages that link to security complexity. Humans are complex in nature. Sometimes their distance can be good or bad at the same time, irritational or irritational. Predictability. Sometimes humans are predictable, so it is easy to understand what the mistake they will make, or at same time they can unpredictable. Repeating mistake. People can repeatedly do do the same mistake even after training or providing awareness.